Daryl, the Goody car guy here with Twin Falls Volkswagen. Here's a really nice 2023 Kia Forte GT Line, 58,000 miles, gorgeous blue with red accents. I've got it running right now. It's got daytime running lights. It's fully equipped. Front end looks really nice. Don't see any rock chips or anything like that. Windshield's not cracked or chipped. Just get a view of the whole car. I'll get more in depth as we go. Looking for any dings, dents, scratches, things like that. Let's look at this wheel. Tires are excellent. Mirror caps are black, so you got a lot of nice accents. Keyless entry. Love the lines of this car. Sporty, sophisticated looking. You might call it a young person's car. I call it anybody's car. Nothing wrong with this. Factory warranty on this was 5 years, 60,000 mile power bumper to bumper warranty with a 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Of course, powertrain warranty went to the first owner. This is used, so it reverts back to the bumper to bumper. Let's look at the inside. Looking here at the driver's side, power windows and locks, headlight controls, stability controls, 58,553 miles as she sits, adaptive cruise control, lane departure with lane keep, dual climate control for driver and front passenger, navigation, plenty of room, USB ports, seats look good, headliner looks good. Look at the back seat. Looking at the back seat now, I'm tall, so I had the seat pulled all the way back. So I'm 6'4", so for me, this car is big enough for my wife and I. Plenty of room. Back seats look good. Let's look at the trunk. Well, the trunk is cavernous. Plenty of room back here. Rear seats do fold. Fold the seats down individually. It does not have a spare tire. Didn't come with it, but there is room for one. Came with a fix-it-flat and a pump. Plenty of room in the trunk. We'll check under the hood next. So we have a 2-liter, or excuse me, it's not actually a 2-liter. Yeah, it is. 2-liter, 4-cylinder engine, dual overhead cam. Looks good. Headline, roof line. Yeah, the roof liner. The liner looks good under here. Here's the deal where I get the engine size off of this. All in all, this is a good car. Well, there you have it. Walk around with this 2023 Kia Forte GT Line here at Twin Falls Volkswagen.